Let's dive in. What is this called? Eggshell. What is this called? Egg yolk. What is this called? Egg white. What is this called? Egg carton. What is this called? Soft-boiled egg. What is this called? Hard-boiled egg. What is this called? Poached egg. What is this called? Scrambled eggs. What is this called? Egg soufflé. What is this called? Tornado omelette. What is this called? Sunny side up. What is this called? Over easy. What is this called? Over hard. What is this called? Cloud eggs. What is this called? Rolled omelette. What is this called? Egg slicer. What is this called? Egg separator. What is this called? Egg ring. What is this called? Egg cup. What is this called? Egg tongs. What is this called? Comment below.